For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India has increased tech surveillance in Ladakh along LAC with Israeli Heron drones. The army has been given clearance at the highest levels to acquire more drones. The Israeli Heron medium altitude long endurance drone will provide technical surveillance of the area. The Chinese PLA has the armed drone Wenglong in its inventory. India is also looking to acquire armed drones from the US. According to government officials, the ITBP force accretion is being done to ensure that all points are fully patrolled. The military and the National Technical Research Organization have been asked to deploy more surveillance drones in the area. The objective is not allowing PLA to expand the scope of its dispute with India by engaging in more areas. The ITBP operates under the Indian Army in the event of hostilities. ITBP also undertakes joint patrols with the military in peacetime. ITBP already has at least 7,000 men on ground. All measures are being put in place to ensure that the Indian forces are on the same page in case the red flag goes up. ITBP has also deployed more troops into the sector to support army along the line of actual control. The decision to induct ITBP battalions in support of the army was taken on June 20th. Lieutenant General Paramjeet Singh and DG SS Deswal had visited Leh to be briefed about the ground situation. The top security officials were briefed by the 14th Corps Commander Lieutenant General Harinder Singh on the standoff with PLA. India has also deployed its specialized high-altitude forces along LAC, according to army sources. Centre has given clear instructions to Indian Army to repel any PLA transgression. Along with the ITBP, specialized forces have now been pushed up to the frontier. The PLA moves in infantry combat vehicles that use paved metal roads. The Indian mountain troops are trained in guerrilla warfare and in high-altitude combat as demonstrated during the 1999 Kargil War. The artillery must have pinpointed accuracy or else they miss the mountain target by miles, says former Indian Army chief. The Tibetan plateau is flat on the Chinese side, while the Indian side starts from K2 Peak in Karakoram. India will not instigate or precipitate any skirmish, but will reply to any transgression according to army sources. India and China are diplomatically engaged to de-escalate the situation with a series of commander-level meetings. The instructions to ground forces are to not allow any transgression by the PLA at any cost.